There are many factors to consider when choosing a broker, and it can often be quite confusing. Recently, I've been using the broker Cedar FX because their environmental schemes appealed to me. But in the end, their lack of regulation was rather unsettling, and so I've decided to leave them behind. In the past, I've used other brokers that are local to where I am based here in the UK, including Vantage and Pepperstone. But they have some disadvantages of their own, such as very high commissions. I'm wanting a broker that combines fair commissions with raw spreads, a good platform, together with customer support and the advantage of being regulated so that I can have peace of mind that my money is safe. So I've decided to try out Fxview. They appear to offer the whole package, so I've decided to deposit some money with them and try them out for a few weeks and just see how it goes. Keep watching this video to see how to deposit money with Fxview and to also check out my dashboard on their platform right after you like this video and hit subscribe. Did you have enough time to click those two buttons? Brilliant, let's go. Okay, so here I am logged into Fxview and here is my dashboard. So at the moment, as you can see, I've got the one live account here. It's got a 500 leverage and at the moment I don't have any funds in that account. So how am I going to fund this account? When I click the fund button, it takes you to the page where you can choose your method for depositing funds. Now with Fxview, they're currently just allowing you to use cryptocurrency. So for me to be able to deposit funds using cryptocurrency, I'm going to have to log into my crypto wallet. And to do that, I'm just going to jump onto my account on the currency exchange. Now, the reason I have an account with a currency exchange, if I go onto my finance here, it's because you can choose to deposit either dollars, euros, or pounds. And from there, you have the ability to buy and sell loads of different cryptos, including some of the most popular ones like Bitcoin and also some of the stable coins like Tether. So it might seem a little bit long-winded, but what I've basically got to do is I'm going to use some of my balance here in pounds to buy some Tether, and then I'm going to send that Tether to my account with Fxview, which will fund that trading account. So I've just brought some Tether, and if I go back into my finance tab and scroll down all the way down to USDT, you can see here there is my Tether balance ready to transfer to Fxview. Super fast. So I'm adding some details here into my deposit method. I've chosen USDT and it says here that the only supporting network on Fxview is ERC20, which basically means Ethereum request for comment. So I've entered in my cryptocurrency address, which is my address from my account in the currency exchange. And I've also entered the amount that I want to deposit in pounds. So once I've clicked pay now, that's where I can actually access my crypto wallet address for my account related to Fxview. So I've copied that code, I've gone back into the currency exchange and I'm going to click on send funds from my USDT address. So Tether address, Fxview. So it's in Tether, it's the Ethereum network. I've copied my address in there and I've nicknamed it Fxview. And that's it, it's processing my transaction. And to be honest, there seems to be a lot of positive talk about crypto. Crypto is the future. You've probably come across it. This is what everybody's saying. Personally, I'm still not sure. I'm just sort of like in the middle there. And quite honestly, this process is really new to me. And it kind of makes me feel a little bit uncomfortable because it's not something I'm familiar with. I'm used to using a standard debit card or a credit card or a bank transfer. So logging into these new accounts and setting up wallet transfers are quite new to me. I have been doing them off and on for a few years now, but this is the first time I've ever used cryptocurrency to fund a trading account. So it's a bit of an experiment and it's why I wanted to share it with you, because I wanted to just be transparent about the process and let you see what it involves. But once that money's gone in, my plan is to trade that live account and trade it over the next few weeks and basically share the process with you, share an insight into what Fxview are like as a broker and share my experience of using them, so that if you're considering using them for yourself, if you want to get started trading, then you can just see if it's right for you. Meanwhile, if you do want to have a go for yourself with Fxview, they do have demo accounts available. So I've got a link below in the description where you can go to their website and you can create an account with them for free and get started trading in a demo, which is a risk-free way to start trading. It just gives you a taste of what it's like using their software. Meanwhile, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps me out to grow my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.